Hey CV vloggers, welcome back to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. Today we are going to be making a dish which is of Palestinian and Syrian origin and is called Musakhan. So, let's get started. Before we start, thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell next to it so that you receive regular updates of all my vlogs posted. The main ingredient in this dish is sumac. Sumac is a spice that is widely used in the Middle Eastern regions, and it is made up of dried and ground berries of the sumac flower. It has a tangy and sweet taste and flavor to it, kind of like lemons. So I'm going to show you how to make this as a lunch or dinner meal quickly and easily. So in this bowl, I've got 3 onions that I've sliced thickly, like so. And to this, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of rough salt and 2 teaspoons of sumac. So this is the color of sumac. That's just going to go in like so. And then I'm just going to mix this until all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Then we're going to take our onions and just spread them over a casserole dish like so. And then it's time to marinate our chicken. So here I've got 1 kg of drumstick and thigh pieces that I've cut and washed. To this, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic, then juice of half a lemon squeezed. Then I've got 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half to 1 teaspoon of rough salt. And lastly, half a teaspoon of cardamom or ilachi powder. Then mix this all together. So once you've marinated the chicken, you're going to get the casserole that you place the onions in and place the chicken on top of the onions. And then just drizzle whatever remainder marinade you have in the container into the casserole dish. Then we're going to take this and place this into a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. That's your preparation done in 10 minutes and your cooking in the oven for 30 minutes. So this is what our Middle Eastern chicken with sumac looks like after 30 minutes of baking in the oven. How delicious and scrumptious. And you can serve this with rice or flatbreads. And there you have it, your meal either for lunch or supper, prepared in 40 minutes. Wow, isn't that amazing? I hope you enjoy making this at home. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.